all of us, and I know it's going to be. Today we are gathered here at the beautiful, colourful venue, Taste of Punjab, to witness the unveiling of BE Publication January 2019 cover, featuring the winners of Miss and Mrs. India Worldwide and its fabulous team. BE Publication is a reputed health, wellness and lifestyle magazine which was launched in 2015. And since then, it's made a name for itself with its honesty and informative articles and story. मैं भी BE magazine के cover page पे थी April, May. BE Publication is a monthly magazine which always talks about health, wellness, and lifestyle. Mission and vision of BE Publication is to create and bring awareness about health-related issues and how it can be cured easily, and how our time, efforts, and money can be optimized to live healthy, disease-free lives. हाँ, reverb थोड़ा कम हुआ, है ना? Ben, who is a certified success coach from Canada, he is certified in the Napoleon Hill from the Napoleon Hill Foundation, USA. I'm sorry if I haven't gotten that right. So I'm smiling, that's happy. He will make you successful. In short.
Wonderful to be on the cover with such lovely women. Every time I go and choreograph Mrs. and Mrs. India Worldwide pageants, in 5 years I've been doing it, I just learn so much from these beautiful women. The first day when I met Mandeep at the pageant, we just knew that she was a winner. And so the same thing, the other girl on the cover, the Miss India Worldwide winner, Shri, even she was a winner. They come with so much of dignity, so much of class, so much of style, and more importantly, so much of depth that it makes me enrich as a person, and it feels wonderful to be on a cover with such wonderful women. Thank you, Shobha ma'am, for the opportunity, and thank you for making this event furthermore wonderful with wow. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now let me talk about, I'm coming here to unveil the BE magazine publication New Year issue. And yes, what do you have to say about the cover?
Well, thank you very much for the honor and congratulations Sandeep and everybody here, Shobha ma'am and everyone out here and Mandeep as well. I just feel it was great. It was lovely to be here. I met Smiley after so many years. It was so wonderful. So I've caught up with a lot of good people here. I've met Sachin for the first time, and it's lovely to see this place. And the cover is absolutely amazing. I think she's done a fabulous job. So I'm sure everybody's going to love the magazine. The content is also as good. And God bless, and thank you very much for everything.
One experience because as I'm here in the Taste of Punjab, so Mr. Sachin, this is for you. So my question the question answer round was there, so there was a question for me like which food you like and why. So being a Punjabi and I belong to North, I really said I can't say that I love sarson da saag and makki di roti. And that's how thank you so much. And I literally win that because of the question and because I said because this food gives us the courage, power to all the North women, because that's why we're here. All the Punjabi women rocks. So yes, definitely I'm feeling wonderful and fantastic on this hour. Thank you.
Thank you so much for having us together on the cover. And I think we would like to thank a few people, Shobha Arya ma'am for putting us on the cover. And apart from that, Mr. Saran and Mrs. Saran, who are the owners of Miss India and Miss India Worldwide Pageant, because अगर वो नहीं होते शायद हम दोनों यहाँ पे नहीं होते.
Yes.
So thank you to a lot of people for having us on the cover here.
So ma'am, कैसा experience रहा first?
For me, it was a wonderful experience because I'm not from beauty world. Actually, I'm from yoga world. But coming into that beauty pageant, it was a completely different experience for me. But I do believe on if you put your hard work on the right time, with the lots of efforts, you can win everything. And I'm really grateful for Sandeep Sarji to have a coach who can always guide me India do this, India do that. so I'm blessed to have him as my choreographer who actually you give me that beauty, how to walk on the ramp and how to do everything, and blessed with my Mr. Uncle Mahatma Saran and Auntie Neelam Saran who give me that opportunity to become a Mrs. India Worldwide 2018. Yeah, it's a wonderful experience. Thank you.
दीपक सर, आपको बहुत कम फंक्शन में जाते हुए देखा है, यहाँ पर आप आए, क्या स्पेशल है? और
ये है स्पेशल हमारे लिए. संदीप हमारे पुराने दोस्त हैं और I've always appreciated the work that he's done, and I've loved his wall, the covers that he's got all around in his apartment. So I've always liked his work, and when he called me that he wanted me to be doing this for him, so I immediately said yes, and it was definitely an honor. I think it's a wonderful thing, and of course Mandeep, I've known her, so also it was an achievement for her. So I think ये दोनों मेरे लिए बहुत enough वजह थी यहाँ पे होने की, and I'm very happy that I'm here.
दीपक सर, नया साल आ चुका है, क्या रेजोल्यूशन बना है इस साल और बड़े पर्दे पर कौन
हाँ भाई, अब की बार अभी ये रेजोल्यूशन है 19 से काम चालू कर रहा हूँ, तो अभी दिखाई दूंगा। तो अभी इसके लिए दाढ़ी वाड़ी बढ़ा के अभी ये सब आ रहा हूँ, काम करूँगा अभी, तो अभी इस पर्दे पे दिखाई दूंगा।
मतलब ऑडियंस को नए साल में नया सरप्राइज
मिल जाएगा मतलब अभी काम शुरू कर रहा हूँ, तो इस साल तक रिलीज होगी, नहीं तो अगले साल। भाई दाढ़ी बढ़ाई है तो अभी विलन ही हूँ दाढ़ी वाले विलन होते हैं, हीरो सब चिकने होते हैं
दीपक सर को कवर पे लाने का कोई प्लान है, अगर शेयर करना चाहिए?
Well, I think more than any of us, he's the one who deserves it. So I'm sure now when the movie starts coming in, you'll see him in a lot of places for sure. So this is just the starting of the year. अभी साल की शुरुआत हुई है, अभी तो बहुत टाइम बचा है।
संदीप सर, आपका भी एक पिक्चर आया था बाहर टाइम स्क्वायर के, आप उसके बारे में कुछ डिस्कस करना चाहेंगे
What was that? Some controversy?
Oh my God. Well, Mandeep and we know the secret behind it, so I think let's just leave it between us, both of us, okay?
Yes,
So we'll keep a secret.
Yeah,
I'm not right now with you.
ओके, मनदीप मैम क्या कहना चाहेंगे, आप कितने एक्साइटेड है इस कवर को देख के, और शूटिंग एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा सर के साथ?
Like I already told you about, like I am really blessed to like have this cover, one more achievement in my like life, and my experience, and I do believe in hard work, and I really love the way Sandeep sir teaches us on the platform over there in the pageant, and it was wonderful experience for me. So I can't even explain that much. So I'm just waiting more to come in my life.
जैसे मैंने दीपक सर से पूछा था, आप दोनों का कोई रेजोल्यूशन है नए साल के लिए? अब तो आपने
मेरा
crown भी जीत
resolution.
लिया है, कोई film करने का इरादा है अगर share करना चाहें?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
You have won a crown, so any plans to come on big screen? If you can share your upcoming projects with us.
Not right now. I'm still hoping, because I just came out from that, so I'm hoping for the best. And I think whatever is gonna come in my life, I'm gonna take it, and I'm just gonna go forward it.
Well, my resolution, I never make any resolutions. Resolution बनते हैं, शायद हम लोग तोड़ देते हैं कभी-कभी. The best is just to live life the way it comes. जैसे जिंदगी आती है आपकी तरफ, I think take it as a blessing from God and just live it the way you want to live it. That's what is best resolution, and I believe in that completely. Thank you.
2019 is a year of creativity. तो मुझे कुछ अलग शुरू करना था, एंड अलग करने के लिए मैंने बोला कि मिस एंड मिसेस
Miss and Mrs. India worldwide.
ये 27 years से consistently हो रहा है, तो why not give them an opportunity to be on the cover? And that is the reason why I chose them as the cover, and started my new year.
कवर के बारे में ये कहना चाहूँगा, it's an honor to be here, and Smiley Shuri is a fantastic performer, and Mandeep Kaur, Sandeep, Deepak Tijori sir,
They are all
it's an honor, yeah, fantastic,
yes.
yeah, and this cover is really incredible, and it's inspiring to all the youth and women out there too,
Yes.
to go ahead and break the boundaries, but not the rules, and achieve what exactly you wanted to achieve in your life. So let's not anybody's opinion become your reality.
That's
true.
We should always believe in ourselves that we have a potential, we can use our golden mind between our ears. Doesn't matter any country, any village or city we live in, we all have a power inside us. And it's our moral duty to inspire youth and women. And the women are on this beautiful cover picture is just not only for glamour, but it's also inspiring that we all need to stand, we all are beautiful individually inside. It doesn't matter on the cover or before the cover. So it's a really good message for this cover, that providing us that what beauty has hidden inside to come outside as well. And anybody can be on this cover. So it's just not
Yes.
only there are few people who get
Exactly.
lux and all. So
Yes.
anybody can get on the cover too. And it's
Yes.
an honor here. Happy Vince, thanks so much.
It's an honor to have Mr. Happy from Canada, who is not only an actor and model, but now a success coach for the youth and women empowerment. It's really an honor to
It's an
have
honor to
Happy.
be there. It's an honor
So
to
ma'am,
be
he
here.
should be on the
Thanks.
cover next.
Oh,
Yes,
sure.
definitely he should.
Great, thanks. It would be an
Yes.
honor too.
About Shobha ji, I really want to say Wow Magazine, V Publications has always done something different. कुछ हट के हमेशा किया है. उन्होंने हमेशा, जैसे हैप्पी जी ने कहा, कि ऐसे लोगों को ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है जो डिज़र्विंग है। जब ज़्यादातर लोगों को पोल के बारे में पता नहीं था, उन्होंने मुझे कवर पे डाला अप्रैल में। संदीप सर को तो बहुत लोग जानते हैं, बट शी प्रेजेंटेड हिम इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट लाइट, you know, in a lovely, I remember the first cover that she did. Today's cover is so different, and like she walks her talk. So BE magazines, BE publications always encourages youth, women empowerment, just empowerment of every kind, and that is the reason we are all together. Energies इतनी अच्छी इसलिए हैं क्योंकि जब अच्छे लोग आर्टिस्ट एक साथ मिलते हैं ना, तो नतीजा अच्छा ही होता है।
Thanks, that's very powerful.
New Year resolution is to take Polestar India and make it global. And you want to be on the cover of BE magazine once again. And
Wow,
yeah, for sure. Yeah.
High five. Great, yeah, thank you.
Taste of Punjab. So thank you, Sachin ji, for
Thank you, Sandeep.
always agreeing to do this. I send him one message and he's always saying yes to me. So thank you, Taste of Punjab. Thank you for being there.
Thank you.
Because आपके बिना ये नहीं हो सकता।
संदीप जी का मैसेज कभी भी आता है इवेंट के लिए, तो उनका मैसेज रीड होने से पहले मेरा यस करके आ जाता है। तो मेरा यस ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे टाइप रहता है कि संदीप जी कुछ बोले और मैं उसको पहले यस कर लूँ करके। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
सर ने कहा फूड के बारे में, जो अभी तक आया नहीं है यहाँ पर, क्या यूएसपी होने वाली है, अगर थोड़ा हमारी ऑडियंस को बताएं।
ओके, यूएसपी तो हमारे खाना है मेनली, सरसों का साग, दही कड़ी, देन वी हैव अ पराठाज एंड वी हैव अ लाइव चाट काउंटर। इट्स कम्प्लीटली बुफे रेस्टोरेंट और बहुत रिजनेबल रेट्स में हम लोग बुफे दे रहे हैं। इट इज़ नॉट ओनली अ प्लेस जहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको खाना मिलता है, या दिस इज़ अ प्लेस यहाँ पे गुड फूड एंड गुड मूड। तो हमारे यहाँ पे ओनली आप पेट भरने के लिए, खाना खाने के लिए नहीं आ रहे हो, यहाँ पे भांगड़ा है, डीजे म्यूजिक है, तो दैट्स कम्प्लीटली अबाउट अ गुड फूड एंड द गुड मूड। और प्लस हम अभी 12 जनवरी को हम यहाँ पे वी आर डूइंग अ लोहरी इवेंट। लोहरी जो होती है, लोहरी के इवेंट हम लोग कर रहे हैं। देयर इज सिंगिंग, देयर विल बी डांसिंग, completely cultural place है। This is not only we are running a restaurant, but we are connecting people with the culture also.